San Nicolas has always been among my team's priorities. We will develop a large hotel complex to boost employment. We reconstructed and rebuilt the promenade street. We built a more comfortable and safer space for all visitors to Baby Beach. We increased the cultural legacy with our community museum and the Museum of Industry. We brought joy to San Nicolas with colorful murals on buildings and homes. I left politics 5 years ago, and San Nicolas remained the same. Not one single investment has been done. But I'm back, and San Nicolas will again be a priority in Aruba. We are going to achieve this with Nos Aruba 2025-2050 plan. We will preserve our natural areas. We will reconvert the refinery into a commercial and tourist port. We will boost commerce and tourism. San Nicolas, I promise you, you will be the second cultural and tourist capital of the island.